So today I am back with a really random Amazon haul. So I got a bunch of stuff and I'm finna justify the reason why I bought this stuff. Cause I got a reason. It's good stuff. So the very first thing I have is a handleless blow dryer. Hear me out. I hate holding the hair dryer to blow my hair. I hate holding the handle part. I like to grab it by the neck. Look, it hurts my arm. If you got natural hair, you understand. It's a workout. So I bought this handleless blow dryer. And all I do is hold it. I already opened it. Let me show you. It looks just like the picture. It's small. It's compact. It's 2200 ceramic tourmaline. Don't know what that means, but it got the job done. So I'll just put my little attachment on like this, and I just blow dry. Hold my hair. Ooh. Let me not mess up my wig, cause I ain't gonna want to recurl it. But yeah, just blow dry it like that, and it does what it needs to do. I love this. My arm don't hurt. This is a must-have. What else I got in this box? So the next thing I bought was, what is this? I forgot what I bought. Oh, these are Waterpik replacement heads. Somebody dropped my flosser. I don't know why. Somebody was messing with my flosser, but somebody dropped my Waterpik flosser. So my little nozzle, it was chipped at the top. So I got a bunch more in different colors. I love my water flosser. After I get through eating, it really gets stuff from out between my teeth. I hate regular floss because my teeth are so close together. Not my gap, you know, my gaps, they're spaced out. But my other teeth are so close together, it hurts to floss sometimes. Even the dentist said it. So I got this Waterpik flosser, and I got a bunch of, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 6 replacement heads, different colors. Yeah, so hopefully, hopefully this works. Hopefully they're compatible. That's what I really need to be seeing, if they're compatible in that. Hopefully so. And it's a storage case. Let's talk about it. It's not just a Waterpik. It has a little case that comes with it. So yeah, I need this. Alright, so the next thing that I bought furniture covers. I just got married. I moved into his house. I left my old furniture in my old house because, I don't know, I just did. His house is bigger, needs more furniture than what I had. I don't like his furniture. Don't tell him that I don't like it. But instead of buying furniture, because furniture is very expensive, and I don't feel like buying it with credit because I'm trying to get rid of my debt, not add on to it. So while I save to buy the furniture that I want, I'm just gonna cover up his old furniture with these furniture covers. So I think this was, justified. This is a need. I needed this because who's finna buy new furniture? Furniture is expensive. It says 4 pieces. It's blue. Let me see. Is it velvet? Yeah, it's velvet. So that means it's gonna feel good on your body. Let me see. Probably gonna put it on. This is good. Oh yeah, it feels good. I wish I could tell it. Amazon, baby, Amazon. Link in my bio. Hey, if you're watching this video, I am not wasting money. Everything that I am buying is a need. Oh, this is the other couch cover. So this is for the love seat. So that's all this is. So I already told you why I need this. So of course, if I bought one for the couch, I need one for the love seat. So no further explanation needed. So yeah, the link to everything. So the link to everything is in my bio. I'm gonna set up a link tree, and you can just click the link, and you can see my Amazon storefront, and that should take you to the link to all the items that I have purchased. And you need these items too. So I bought these for us, so we could both see what was needed. Oh, baby, they wrap this up extra nice. Hold on. I know what this is. This right here is a definite need for me. This is probably the most justified of them all. So, so this is a wig stand. Actually, I just spent the last couple minutes trying to figure out how to put it together. I think this is right. So this is really cute. I have a bunch of wigs. I need somewhere to put them, and I'm gonna put them in top of my closet on these wig stands. My most important ones are gonna go on a wig stand. We'll find a way to store the other ones. But look how cute this is. I would take this off, but yeah, I'm not. So, but yeah, this is a wig stand. It came a set of 4. So I think this is needed. I wear wigs. I need somewhere to put them. This was a need.